Drivers worldwide rely on radio traffic and travel reports to alert them to abnormal road conditions before and during their travel. TIC can be used by radio stations and commercial traffic service providers to create their own traffic and travel event data. The Traffic News for Radio feature allows producers to use TIC to create traffic news stories based on collected information by selecting, grouping, and prioritizing traffic and travel events into a traffic news report. Announcers can read the traffic news on air, either from the station's own news format reading system or by using the TIC Newsreader feature. And this same information can also be distributed as digital data to in-vehicle devices, smartphones, websites, and more. Information is manually created or automatically collected in TIC as traffic and travel events. An operator or producer then uses these events to create a news story. Multiple news stories are combined and are published as a news report. The News Report workspace shows a list of traffic events and tasks that have been stored in the TIC system. A traffic event can be opened directly from this list, or TIC can be configured to open a news story window automatically whenever an operator creates or edits an event from the main traffic workspace. TIC allows this flexibility so that a producer can create news stories and reports from events created by the system or another operator, or one person can act in both capacities. Each news report can be assigned an opening and closing text. This text can include any required wording, such as an introduction or a sponsorship announcement. Different text can be shown for different reports, and templates can be applied to allow the producer to change the text at any time. TIC can automatically create a headline, which can also be modified using the headline command. TIC also has many features to allow for customization of road names or other phrases to meet a station's needs. Urgency levels are shown using color coding, but the producer can also define the reading urgency of each story using drag and drop editing, or by marking the story as breaking news. Each news story can be shared in different variations amongst multiple radio stations, with variations based on a station's programming needs, including coverage area, importance of the story, language requirements, and other configurable options. TIC can publish reports to a station's own news format reading system or to the TIC Newsreader feature. To the upper left of the browser window, the announcer sees the current time along with the approximate reading time for the news report. This estimate is provided by TIC based on the number of words in the report and a configurable setting for the reading speed that might be normal for a particular station's format. At the bottom of the window, an indication of when this particular report was last updated. Therefore, the announcer knows that the information is fresh. When the announcer is ready, clicking the On-Air command at the top of the window signals the TIC system that the announcer is on the air, informing the producer that the report is now being read. The announcer reads and scrolls through each news story until the end, and since the on-air signal has been triggered, TIC removes the unread envelope as each story comes into focus, indicating that the story has been read. TIC can also be configured to automatically create news stories from automatically collected data, such as police CAD data, or from DOT reports when no operator is available. Although this data may not have the benefit of the review and formatting eye of a live producer, an announcer will always have up-to-date information whenever news source data is available.